have the pleasure of hearing.
Aye, please. Yes.
Lords, kindly have page number 117, my lord, 164 statement. The witnesses are, my lord, children of petitioner number 1, accused number 1, my lord.
Hmm.
Lords,
Yes.
page number 118, my lord, last paragraph.
ನಂತರ ಪೊಲೀಸರು
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ.
ನಂತರ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೈ ಕೊಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಮಲಗಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6:30 ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಮೆಲಾಡ್. Here, my lord, it is a clear case of aggression, my lord. There is no abatement, my lord, that could be attracted against petitioner. There's one more statement, my lord, that is recorded by the police at page number 119. my lord.
302 498A, you're accused number 2. And if you see page 42 and 43, lot of things are there against you.
My lord, abatement, my lord, 120, my lords, may kindly have page number 120.
Hmm.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಜಗಳ ಆಡುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಿರ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೆರೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಕು ಇತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಲಗಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. The allegation against the petitioner, my lord, that she called the petitioner, my lord, just before the commencement of the crime, before the alleged incident and immediately after that. My lord, to abet, my lord, there is no material except the call records, my lord. Even if the,
Is it not a matter of evidence?
my lord, even if the, my lord, allegation is admitted,
You are
at the
not
post, my lord, it
present,
could be
if you are not
extramaterial.
present at the scene of crime at all,
Please, my lord.
then yes, I may take it. Even then, plea of alibi. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ.
Only at the last 3 lines in the complaint, my lord, they say there may be some extramarital affair, my lord. They don't even utter the name of the petitioner, my lord. And the
You
photographs.
are the one who was having extramarital affair.
Based upon, my lord, the voluntary statement of accused number 1, my lord, I'm implicated. I was not even arraigned
What
as
to do?
accused, my lord, in the initial FIR.
As you sow, so you reap. Yes.
Even in the charge sheet, my lord, except the call records, my lord, there is nothing else that is available against the petitioner. my lord.
Good effort, but matter of evidence. Yes, Shyam Sundar sir.
Allegation, my lord, against the lady is that because she had this affair with the prime accused. That was the reason for the fight
But
between the husband and
is
wife.
it not a matter, even 114 is a matter of evidence,
I leave it to your lordship's discretion.
not in 302 498A. 498A may be something else. 302 is alleged.
My lord,
You are
my-
accused number
my-
2. So many things said in the summary of the charge sheet.
My only concern is this, my lord,
Discharge ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಡ.
discharge ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. But the only
ಅದು dismiss ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Obvious.
the only concern is this. The only concern is, my lord, A had an illicit affair with B. My lord, because of that, the story, my lord, it's woven in such a fashion that B, because of his affinity, my lord, his love on the B, that was the, my lord,
Sir,
catalyst.
whatever be it, the story is tagged. If you have to detag, it needs evidence, not in 480. That's all. That's all the issue.
It's all statements, my lord, hearsay, that's it.
True, but even then that should be put in
Statement of the
evidence.
co-accused, my lord, that cannot be used against.
The corroboration ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. That section 25 doesn't stop there. 27 ವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Not in this. ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ you need not have
Tomorrow,
appeared
my
even.
lord,
I would have